you need to consider evolution of stars. You need to consider what was the initial mass, and that mass is compared to the mass of the star. Describe what conditional information is needed to predict the next evolution stage of Vega. So if you look at Vega, is at the main sequence. So from here, from the main sequence, it can either become a red giant, a red giant, or a red supergiant. So if it was very massive, it becomes a red supergiant. If it was just massive, it becomes a red giant. Yeah, so which means the information we need to know, what was the initial mass of this Vega star in comparison with the mass of this the sun. So as a red, that's what I'm saying here, that the mass is needed so that we can be able to compare the mass with that of the sun, so that we know if it's a massive star, it's going to become a red supergiant. If it was a low mass star just as the sun, it becomes a red giant. And then a star that is a red giant, it evolves to become what? To become a white dwarf, and then finally it cools down to become a black dwarf. The question to do with electricity, we have an ammeter which measures current. We have a thermistor here, which is a type of resistor whose temperature depends on